When the power suddenly goes out in part of your home, the fix is often simpler than you might think. I'm going to show you how to safely reset a tripped breaker and explain why breakers trip in the first place. First, let's head to your electrical panel. It's usually found in the garage, basement, utility room, or sometimes a hallway, so don't forget your flashlight. Your electrical panel is the control center of your home's power. Each breaker controls a circuit, and each circuit is designed to handle a specific amount of electrical current. Okay, let's open the electrical panel. Look for the breakers that aren't fully in the on position. A breaker that's tripped will usually be stuck between on and off. For some breakers, you'll see an indicator window showing red or orange. Before you reset anything, take a moment to think about what caused it. Did you plug in too many appliances? Did a power tool overload the circuit? If something isn't right, or the breaker is hot, buzzing, or appears melted or burnt, stop and call a professional. So why does a breaker trip? The biggest reason is overload. Every circuit in your house is rated for a certain number of amps, commonly 15 or 20 amps. When you plug in too many devices that together pull more amps than that circuit is built for, the breaker trips or shuts itself off. Some common devices that can overload a circuit are space heaters, a hairdryer, microwave, and holiday lights. They also trip if there's a short circuit or a possible wiring problem. This helps prevent overheating, damage, or even electrical fires. In short, a breaker trips to protect your home. Now let's reset it. It won't reset unless it clicks fully off. First, push the tripped breaker all the way to the off position, then flip it back to on. Power should return if the overload was temporary. If the breaker trips again right away, that usually means the circuit is still pulling too many amps, or you've got a wiring issue that needs a licensed electrician. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple home tips. And remember, if a breaker won't stay on, don't force it. Call a pro and keep your home safe.